welcome back to the 411 on Tech. Today we have a couple unboxings. We recently got a couple handheld gaming units in, and just as a kind of sneak peek, first look unboxing, we're going to have full in-depth reviews coming in the next year. So without further ado, we're going to get into it right after this.
So first up we have the Analogue Pro. We got the retro version. So we were like Indiegogo backers. I guess maybe like a year and a half, 2 years, something like that.
We've been waiting for a while.
Yeah, so when we originally backed it, it was just the Analogue. It wasn't, and then they came out, you know, the Steam Deck came out and they wanted to be more competitive.
Yeah.
So now they have the Analogue Pro, so you got on board with that. It was a little additional fee. So the original one was like a AMD Ryzen 4500U. And to be more competitive with Steam Deck, this is the AMD Ryzen 7 4800U, and we have, there's a 512 gig model, but we got the 1 terabyte M.2 drive.
Yeah,
so
they're even going to do a 2 terabyte, but they haven't made those yet, probably because they're having trouble getting their hands
yeah,
on.
probably because of the chip shortage. So this is a handheld gaming PC, and there's also a dock going to come out with it, so you can kind of, you know, play your PC games. You can dock it to like a TV or a monitor, or you can play handheld. So that's pretty cool. You can run PC games on this, emulation. So
and they say AAA titles. So.
Yeah, run AAA titles. So we'll see how that goes in the full review that's coming up. But we want to do the unboxing, so got the unboxing knife here.
Yeah, and we're also going to get the Steam Deck too as well.
Yeah.
The Steam Deck. So it'll be interesting. We'll probably do a comparison video too once we get them both and have used them for a while. So I'll definitely see how they compare. Take off this nice plastic. Yeah. And then, you know, like Damien said, we got the retro power. They I think they have, I don't know the other colors, but they have like a dark, I think it's called like Dark Star. You can get one that's kind of like a white, I believe.
Yeah.
But we wanted to go with, you know, the kind of like Nintendo Game Boy kind of retro.
Yeah, it's got that kind of off gray color. Nice. Yeah, but still they're pretty tight.
Ooh. That's some nice.
Got some specs on here.
This is exciting
talking
too.
About it.
This is our first PC gaming handheld, I think, right?
Yeah, first handheld gaming PC.
Oh, I like the, yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, so kind of see this, and yeah, and the flash finally got this in.
All the buttons.
Yeah, it's kind of got like a little overlay to tell you what everything is. And get that out. So this is a 7-inch screen. I think the new Nintendo Switch OLED is 6.7. This is a 7-inch screen.
Nice.
Buttons feel nice. Feels nice in the hand.
Yeah.
Sticks feel good. It's got a fan in the back.
Yeah, it looks very well designed.
It's got 2 USB-Cs on the top, 1 on the bottom, and a 3.5mm jack, power and volume button. Got your shoulder buttons and your triggers. So yeah, we're gonna be doing a full in-depth review. It's padded pretty nice.
Let's see what else we get in the box.
See what else we got in here.
It's hiding below all the foam.
No kickstand.
No kickstand. We do have a dock coming that's supposed to be the same colorway. They're still working on those. We haven't got those yet, but there will be a dock.
Printed materials here. And looks like a power brick. Yeah. All that.
Oh yeah, this is nice. I like the material too. It's kind of like a really soft brush, like plastic. That's really nice.
Let's see.
Analog sticks feel pretty good. Buttons, space buttons.
Get this out.
Looks like it's got some good venting. Very nice. Got a good weight to it.
Alright, so I got one thing. And this looks like a USB Type-C cable.
Okay, yeah, so for charging or
charging.
What else do we have? We have what is this? This looks like a European.
Yeah, it looks like a travel adapter.
They really have these things like nice and secure, or they're not going to be moving around on you during shipping. All right, so power brick. We have a power brick here, obviously USB-C, so we have the USB cable.
Yeah, it looks like a travel adapter. Okay, so travel adapter. Put that back in there. And another adapter. Another power adapter.
Mm.
So we could take this on the go if people are still traveling.
Oh.
Another power adapter. Let's see. And it got USB-C to USB-A adapters
maybe
here.
You need to attach like an accessory that might
Yeah, an
still be
accessory that might,
USB-A.
yeah, like so.
Two of them. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, because there is.
You can
Nice.
hook up like a portable drive to this.
Yeah. Yeah.
And have some games on there because the 1 terabyte might go fairly quickly.
Yeah, because you have 3 USB-Cs on
So
there,
that's a packaging, pretty well packaged. We got a carrying case, so we take this out portably. It'll be protected.
Oh yeah, I like the material too. Nice and hard.
You guys kind of got that texture,
Yeah.
like a little bit of a rigid.
I like their symbols too. It's kind
Clamshell.
of like I wonder if it's glow in the dark. It kind of looks like it would
Yeah.
be glow in the dark or something.
It's pretty cool. It's got a handle on it, and looks like you can
pouch for cables.
pouch for accessories.
Alright, so I guess it sits here.
Maybe
and
the
then
unit
maybe
sits in
this
here,
is
and then you can have
some other accessories.
a strap for more accessories. Put that in. So yeah, that's nice. And they gave us some like a stick.
Analog stick, like
Analog
grippies,
stick
I guess?
grippies that you can put on there. You know, some of them are like flat, some of them are a little bit raised, so you can get a proper grip on the sticks.
Mhm.
So that's nice.
Mhm.
Put this over there. And we got a screen protector. I'm gonna keep the screen nice and protected. And this was originally supposed to go out the original. I see that they have the old 4500U on there, so probably like same screen. So
Yeah.
they ship these out once they upped it to the Pro. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And it also has like a little overlay of all the buttons and ports on it.
So we're definitely excited for that, and again, look out for the full review coming up in the next year. Alright, so we're very excited about this as well. So this is the Analogue Pocket. So this is FPGA, it's not emulation, so it replicates the original hardware almost perfectly, if not almost, or perfectly.
Yeah.
And so you can play Game Boy games, Game Boy Color, Game Boy Advance. They also have carts, so they have a cart that you can do Game Gear.
Yeah, adapter.
Game Gear games. They're going to be coming out with Atari Lynx and Pocket.
They're going to be coming out the Atari Lynx and the Game Boy Color Pocket, and I think there's going to be some additional ones that'll be announced as well.
Yeah.
So this is the dock and this is the Pocket.
Okay.
I'm going to do the dock first, save the best for last.
No, I guess I'll do this first. The bigger box, like I feel like the unit is in here.
Yeah.
It's not. This is a dock.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see.
So I just kind of slice and then right on the seam.
Now I think this, if you just buy the unit itself, it's pretty bare bones. You just get the unit, and then I think there's going to be a USB Type-C cable in here.
Yeah, so you have
console USB Type-C.
You have to supply your own power adapter.
Yeah, and then again, if you want the adapters to play the Game Gear games or the Atari Lynx or I think it's the Neo Geo Pocket, right?
Yeah, the Neo Geo Pocket Color. Yeah.
They're going to be coming.
Yeah.
And then, like I said, the Lynx, and I think the TurboGrafx 16, I think, is another one. Alright, so I like it's got a nice, like, matte kind of material here. And then here it is.
Yeah.
The Analogue Pocket. Alright, let's see. So we got the black. You can also get it in white. And then they have, like, a nice little color. I guess that's a power button, probably.
Yeah, the power button. So it reminds me of like the Pixel 2s when they came out,
Yeah,
had the
they
accent
had the
power
little
button.
accent colors. Now this is a 3.5-inch display. And then, you have your face buttons, obviously, your D-pad, some
Start select.
It has a link port as well, so you can connect it to
Another Game Boy,
Game
like
Boy or
Pokemon.
something like that. You have the USB Type-C port for charging, 3.5mm headphone jack. Again, carts in the back. You have these two, I guess, shoulder buttons, right? Shoulder buttons.
Yeah, shoulder buttons and volume rocker on the side. Speakers. Yeah. And then the only other thing that comes in is USB Type-C cable, and so you will have to. You can buy it from them, the power adapter. I think it's $29.
Yeah.
Or if you have like a USB Type-C, a lot of people have like like a lightning or like a USB-A power adapter. So you will need a USB-C power adapter. So you can buy the one from them, or if you have a USB-C power adapter laying around, you can.
Most people by now have one.
Wow. It's kind of, you know.
The 29. What is it? $29.99 for the.
Yeah, I think it's $30.
That's a bit pricey, but. And then, you know, you get a couple of stickers in here, and then you can scan this QR code for your
quick
instructions
start,
and stuff like that. But yeah, so that's all that comes in the main box.
And there is Gorilla Glass on here.
Yeah.
So this is Gorilla Glass, but we also, Michelle unboxed, we also got another glass screen protector so you can put on top of that for double protection.
Yeah, and the resolution on this is supposed to be 10 times greater than, or 10 times than the original.
Yeah, so the original was 160 by 144, and this one's 1600 by 1440, so it'll be 10 times resolution.
It's really, like I said, really nice. I like the material, got a nice weight to it. Buttons feel good.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, so yeah, it kind of reminds me of like the Super Nintendo. You got the concave and the convex buttons here, and you got your menu button, start select, D-pad. Feels nice, and the shoulder buttons on the back right there. Game Boy Color, Game Boy Advance, and we have the adapter.
Yeah, so here's the Game Gear adapter, and this is $29.99. So if you want the adapter, gotta pay another $30.
So you're getting like
$30 for the others.
What, like 4 systems you can play with this if you get the adapter.
And so obviously they play all your original cards, but what we're really excited about is we have a lot of flash cards too. So the flash cards work with these as well, and again we'll show all that in our full in-depth review video. Alright, so let's do the, well, I guess we can unbox this as well so we can show the adapter. So I was really excited that it could do Game Gear because there's been quite a few Game Gear games. We're still like trying to go back and get like a lot of physical cards, like
so we got
for those.
Retro store nearby, and we get the cards.
Yeah, and I remember I always wanted a Game Gear. Like when I was in school, there used to be somebody that always would bring in their Game Gear, and I was always like trying to play Sonic and stuff. So that's really cool. And then obviously those parts are bigger.
Yeah.
So there you go. There's your adapter.
You plug that in, and you plug the
that
game
in the back. And you can play your Game Gear games. Very nice. Alright, and then finally we have our dock. Now the dock, again, you have to get that separately, but it's I think $100.
We got the screen protector too.
Oh, that's just a screen protector.
Yeah, okay.
So this is cool because we like to play, like with the Switch, for example, play docked mode a lot. So we were excited about getting this so we can play it on our big OLED TV downstairs. So we have our power brick, USB Type-C, and then we have the dock. Oh wow, it's got a nice weight to it. This feels like it's metal here. It's cool to the touch. You know, you put the pocket in, USB Type-C goes in, just like that, and went in pretty easy, so that's nice. And then on the back you have your USB Type-A, 2 USB Type-A's, HDMI, and then the power, which is the USB Type-C. And it looks like a power button here.
Yeah, so you can connect controllers to this, either with those USB Type-A, and obviously has the HDMI in to go to your TV. And you can also connect the Bluetooth, and it says 2.4 gigahertz on here, so less latency, so you can connect controllers that way as well.
Yeah, like the 8-bit DOS that they work closely
8-bit
with.
DOS. I think the PS4 controller will work on this, so got a number of options. You'll probably have more in the future, but this is the dock, so you can play, handheld, and you can play dock mode on the TV. See those portable games on the big screen. So that's pretty nice. Anything else we're forgetting? I think that's everything.
I think that's it.
Yeah. So
super excited.
Super excited to get these in and get them reviewed for you guys. Now the Analogue. This started shipping on December 13th. And we got ours a few days after that, and then they had a pre-order come up on the 14th. And I think depending on when you got that, it was Q1 2022, Q3 2022, and then it said 2023. Now, as this current shooting of this video is saying that it's a C group of 2023. So if you guys want to get this, I will get your pre-order in now.
Yeah.
It was $199 when we got it. Now it's $219. But if you're looking for the best way to play your old Game Boy Color, Game Boy Advance games, and also they're going to support other handhelds, I would definitely get this if you care about the quality, and also have it, like if you want to just play handheld, you can do that, or you can also get the dock. But I will get that pre-order in now to get this, and you guys will see once we do the review video. This is Analogue. They really make good products. It is premium, but the products are really good. So that's going to do it for this quick unboxing of the two handhelds, and we'll have 4 reviews coming up, but we'll see you guys in the next one, and thanks for watching. Bye!